If you have been following my last two videos, you already know how much potential Sudoku puzzle books have on Amazon and how the Sudoku Puzzle Generator can help you create these books effortlessly. Hello home bosses, my name is Nuria Korbi from thehomeboss.com. Welcome to my channel, which is all about helping you to make money online with self-publishing. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through some exciting upgrades to the Sudoku Puzzle Generator that I introduced to you in the last video, and just a reminder that this app is now live and can be purchased at the promotional price. And I just wanted to walk you through the upgrades and what they provide for you. So I showed you the front end of the app, which is the actual app that lets you create all these amazing puzzles. And as I said to you, just with the front end alone, you can create some amazing puzzle books with a click of a button. And it just makes the whole creation of these type of books so much easier. But there are some upgrades, and I just wanted to explain them to you a little bit. So with the front end, you had 100 downloads per month, and if you upgrade to the first upgrade, it's unlimited downloads per month. So you can make as many puzzle books or as many puzzle printables, because you can also use them for printables. And it's unlimited downloads if you have the first upgrade. And you also get the option to download the files as a PowerPoint file. And that is quite interesting if you want to customize your puzzle pages, because you can do that easily in PowerPoint. You can also do it in Canva, but for those of you who prefer PowerPoint, it's really handy to have that option. It also features a bulk creation tag that lets you create the puzzles in bulk, and it has the multiple puzzles per page feature that allows you to create hundreds of Sudoku puzzles per book. And that is really an important point, because if you do your research on Amazon, most Sudoku puzzle books contain quite a lot of puzzles. There are some books that have 500 or even 1,000 puzzles inside. So this would let you create the same kind of books. And you also get an unlimited color palette for the text, and you have an easy image upload functionality that allows you to upload your own images for unique page layouts. And it has advanced design features that let you introduce lines and boxes of various styles to create unique designs. It's got a bulk clone option that lets you clone the master page and create any number of pages you may want it to create in one go. That is the one that I find really handy, because I just have to click a button and it creates a clone of my previous page, and you can create them in bulk. And it also includes a bulk delete option that lets you clear your entire canvas. You have a bulk shuffle option that lets you shuffle all of your pages, and you of course get commercial use rights. So that is what you get with the first upgrade. And with the second upgrade, you also get access to the premium features to create image or icon based Sudoku puzzles. So they're really interesting, because I haven't seen many of those puzzles around. So this is another way that you can create unique puzzle books that other people are not going to find very easy to make. And you get access to 23 inbuilt icon libraries to create high quality image or icon-based Sudoku puzzles. And you also get access to the features that allow you to upload your own icons, so that's quite handy. And they fit right inside of the Sudoku puzzles, thereby allowing you to create 100% unique high-end puzzles. This is what I love about this app. It's so easy to use, but it lets you create books that other people can't create because they haven't got the tools. And there's also detailed training included and a dedicated support team. If you have bought any apps from this company before, you know that they are constantly revising the features and improving features and adding things. So you can be sure that the support team has your back. And that is one of the reasons I promote this app, because I think their customer support is second to none. Then with the third upgrade, you get 500 done for you illustrations that you can also use as coloring elements. So you could make an activity book as as well with this. And 500 illustrations is quite a lot because you can also combine them and create different scenes and different pages. So this is just such a good bonus, and it can be used in so many ways, not just for these puzzle books. And you also get 500 done for you icons to be used inside of the Sudoku puzzles for extreme flexibility and ease of use. And the icons are different to the illustrations because the illustrations can be used as coloring illustrations or any way you want to use them, or to embellish your puzzle pages. And the icons are the small images that you can use inside the Sudoku puzzles, where you actually use them to solve your puzzles. And you get commercial usage rights with all of these upgrades. I have bought puzzle software from this company before, and I can honestly say it's one of the best softwares out there, and especially in terms of customer service and the way they keep improving and adding features to these apps. So you're probably wondering, how much is this app? So I'll just go through the pricing for you quickly. After the launch, the price will increase across the funnel. So this is how the prices will change. The front end costs $47 during the launch, but after the launch, the price may change to anywhere between $67 to $97. Some features may even be removed from the offering. So this is the best time to really get at least the front end of the app, because as I showed you in my first video about this, you can already make such great puzzle books with the front end of this app, and it's definitely worth every penny. And the first upgrade will be $67 during the launch, and the price will increase to $97 with some stripped down features. So the features that they're going to remove may be released as separate products or may be removed completely. So this is your chance to get the upgrade with all the features that you're going to be able to get. So this is the best chance to get the whole upgrade with all of the features that it can include before the price goes up and before they take away the features and turn them into separate products. So that is the first upgrade. And then the second upgrade is $97 during the launch, and this part of the offer will be removed completely when the short 4-day launch ends. So you won't be able to get the second upgrade after this promotion has finished. And then the third upgrade changes from $67 during the launch to $97, and subsequently it will even be increased further to $147. So this is what this company does. It does reduce their pricing significantly during launches, but after the launches they go up and they never reduce them again. So it's definitely worth getting in during the launch, because that is the lowest you're ever going to get this app. And I just think this is such a good app, and it's so simple to use. Not a lot of people are going to be able to compete with you if you create books using this, because this is really on a level that you get the big publishers publishing these type of books. So you're going to be able to compete with big publishing houses because you're going to be making puzzles that are at the same level of quality as they are. So these upgrades make it even easier to customize and optimize your puzzle books, whether you're a beginner or an experienced self-publisher. And I hope you're as excited as I am about all the possibilities this tool opens up, because remember, you can also build a brand around puzzle books. And I keep saying that in my videos because it is one of the ways that I was able to really scale up my publishing business. So remember, the Sudoku Puzzle Generator is available now, and if you grab it through my link, which is under this video, you'll also get access to my exclusive puzzle book marketing guide to help you promote your books and maximize your sales on Amazon. And this marketing guide is going to help you, especially if you can't really spend money on ads, because it does also talk about ads, but there is lots and lots of information about how to promote your books without ads, for example, by going into partnership with influencers or by partnering up with a local business or doing in-person events. So those are all ways that you can increase your book sales, and that is all explained in the puzzle book marketing guide that I'm giving away for free, and it's 67 pages long, so it's quite a lot of information there for you. So thanks again for watching, and if you have any questions or need more tips, drop them down in the comments or go on to my Facebook group, the Home Boss group, and I'm always there to help. So in my next video I'm going to talk to you about creating Sudoku puzzle books with different difficulty levels and aimed at targeting various age groups and customer types so that you know exactly what you're niching down to. So I hope you're going to like that video too, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. See you next time. Thank you for watching.